Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopify product page. First, log into your Shopify admin and locate the Products section on the left-hand menu. From there, you will click the Add Product button to begin. This initial step is crucial for setting up your product's foundation, ensuring you have a clear starting point for your online store. We will cover all the essential elements to get your product live and ready for customers. Next, focus on adding all the vital information that customers need. Upload several high-quality images to visually represent your product from various angles. Then, accurately set your product's price, and if applicable, a compare-it price to highlight savings. Don't forget to manage your inventory by inputting the available quantity and assigning a unique stock keeping unit for efficient tracking. These details are key for a professional listing. Now, let's organize your product for better discoverability and user experience. Assign your product to relevant collections, making it simple for customers to browse. Utilize product tags to enhance internal search results within your store. Furthermore, if your product comes in different options, create variants for attributes such as size, color, or material. This ensures customers can select exactly what they need, improving their shopping journey. Finally, it's time to launch your product to the world. Before publishing, set the product's status to active so it becomes visible on your online store. Always take a moment to preview your product page to confirm all details, images, and pricing are accurate and appealing. Once you are completely satisfied, save your changes to publish the product. Congratulations, your new product is now live and ready for sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.